question.
Hello, kindergarten. We are here in language workshop, and we have been reading about Trixie and all the ways that character grew. And remember, that was Mo Willems' daughter. So today, we're going to start exploring how other characters grow in different ways by looking at what they're doing, how they're feeling, and looking at some of their outside things. So, over here, our essential question: how do characters grow? So that's what I want you to be thinking about as I read our new book, We Are Growing.
Wait, is that a Piggy and Elephant book?
I'm glad you asked. This is a special kind of book because it is Mo Willems approved, but the actual author and illustrator is Lori Keller.
Good job, Lori.
I know.
Wait, it has a medal on the front cover.
You spotted the Celtic. No, this is not the Celtic.
I think that's the Seuss
Theodore
Award.
Seuss. Yep, Theodore Seuss Giesel Award.
That must mean it's a really good book.
Well, you're gonna find out. All right. We are growing.
Look at Piggy and Elephant. They're reading the book.
They're gonna read with us. It says, "Dear reader, it is so cool that you like to read. Elephant and Piggy like to read too. So I thought I would share some of their favorite books with you. We Are Growing is about 8 friends who are growing up fast, just like you. I hope you enjoy the story as much as Elephant and Piggy do. Your pal, Mo."
Mo's the best.
Mo is. All right. "Piggy, look at this new book. It is as exciting as watching grass grow."
Usually grass growing's not very exciting.
"Because it is watching grass grow." "Exciting. Let's read it."
Huh.
Boing. What was that? "I think I just grew. Look." Wow. Oh, he's got his ruler.
He's measuring.
He is measuring. "You did grow. Look at that." He's so excited. He's got pride lines just coming off of him. "I just grew all by myself." "Cool, huh?" I know. I made it look easy. But growing is hard work. In fact, bing! Hey, I just grew. Bam! Whee! Zap! Beep! Honk! What's happening to all the grass? We're all growing! You are growing tall. I'm the tallest. He is the tallest. You are growing curly. I am the girliest. You're growing silly. I am the silliest. Ah! We are pointy. We are the pointiest. You are crunchy. I am the crunchiest. Boop! I am the dandiest. You're a dandelion. A weed. I've been called worse. So what are you, Walt? Me? Well, I'm not the tallest, or the curliest, or the silliest, or the pointiest, or the crunchiest, or the dandiest. What am I? I do not know what I am! Thud. It is okay. We will help you. I know, you are... never mind. Hey, yes? Bzzz. Maybe not. Let me think. So what are you? Well, hurry up, Walt. Tell us. Bzzz. Come on, think, Walt. Think. You can do it.
What is that? Bzzz. Someone mowed the lawn.
Oh no! Eek, what a mess!
Their tops are gone.
I'm not the curliest anymore. I'm not the tallest anymore. We're not the anythingest anymore.
Do not worry. You will grow again.
We will? Yay! We will grow again! Grow, grow, grow! Before we grow, let's clean this place up. Hey, I think I know what I am. I am neat.
Boom.
You are neat. You are neat. You are so neat. You are the neatest. I am the neatest. So, are we all the somethingest? We are all the somethingest. This book is the funniest.
Yeah.
I love to read.
Me too.
Do you know what that makes us?
Yep.
We are the radiest. The end.
Is there a pigeon hiding?
Let's see. Can we find it?
Oh, I see him.
Where? Where?
He's on Piggy's head. Or Elephant's head, Gerald.
Ah! You spotted him.
Oh, that was a fun book.
That was a fun book.
So Walt was really worried because he didn't know how he was growing when everyone else around him was growing. But I really liked that they all grew in different ways.
I think that's something we have to think about. Do we all grow in the same way?
Or at the same time.
Yeah. I think they should think about that for tomorrow.
That's a good idea. We'll see your responses soon.